What's up, guys? Today we are looking at the Myprotein extra protein bar, 30 grams of protein, and this flavor is the vanilla and honeycomb. Okay, let's open it up. How many bars are there? 12 80-gram bars, total weight 960 grams. There's the nutritional value. So per bar you get 263 kcal, 6.3 grams fat. Well, that was energy. 4.1 of that is saturated, 24 grams carbohydrate, 3.8 is sugars, fiber 10 grams, 30 grams of protein, and there's 0.56 grams of salt. Alright, so I'm gonna test one out. They all look the same from this company. It's gonna be juiced down. Okay, there it is. Generic chocolate. There we go. Chewy as usual. The honeycomb is quite nice. Can't really taste the vanilla. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I can taste the vanilla now. This one's not bad. It's better than the chocolate orange one. I think I prefer this one. Vanilla and honeycomb. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish eating this. I'll do a review after when I get through some of these and see what the outcome is. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.